Here you see San Chaik and his beautiful partner creating an Inground fire pit place. This is a sleek and modern outdoor fire feature designed to be installed flush with the ground, providing a safe and stylish way to enjoy fireside gatherings with your family and friends in any backyard or outdoor space. The San Chaik style Inground fire pit can be enjoyed in various seasons, particularly during cooler weather when people typically gather around fires for warmth and ambience. It is most commonly used during fall and winter months, but can also be enjoyed in the early spring and late summer evenings when the weather is still pleasant but a bit chilly. However, it's essential to follow local regulations and safety guidelines for outdoor fires and avoid using the fire pit during high fire risk periods or when there are fire bans in place.